Hi guys, this is another sound test. We're dealing with a pretty cheap mechanical keyboard here. I believe it has their own version of red switches in it. The keyboard is not wireless, it has backlit keys. It's the Machenike, I believe that's how you say it, the Machenike K500 mechanical keyboard. It's about the $50 Australian mark. It is all plastic, it is very light compared to some of the others I've tested. Just a quick sound test for today, guys. Very plasticky, guys. Hasn't got that clacky, thocky sound like some of the others that I've tested. But for $50, you really can't go wrong. $50 Australian, that is. It's got a nice bright backlit LED system. It is a 95% keyboard, which also has the numpad, whereas the others that I've tested on my channel are 75% keyboards, which I prefer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one.